Hello, my beautiful little unicorns, and welcome to your guided meditation for healing trauma, achieving peace, and positive energy. Let's begin today finding a comfortable seated position. You can sit on your mat, your bed, the floor, or a chair. Just make sure that your spine is elongated and your shoulders are relaxed. Now focus your gaze on whatever is right in front of you. In meditation, we call this a drishti, which is the method of gazing at a focal point. This could be a tree if you're looking out of a window, or an ornament in the room you're meditating in, maybe a rock if you're seated outside. Whatever it is, just make sure you're starting your practice off focusing on an inanimate object. Before we close our eyes, I would like you to remind yourself that this time is for you and you alone. This guided meditation is a way for you to show yourself some self-love. So take a deep breath in, straighten your spine, hold it there, and now exhale, let it go. Let go of any distractions. Rest your palms on your thighs or your knees, keeping your palms facing the ground. This will encourage you to feel more grounded and held throughout your meditation practice. So now, when you're ready, slowly allow your eyelids to become heavy and gently close your eyes. Breathe deeply into your belly. Take this opportunity to settle into your body. Allow any tension to slowly release. Inhale and exhale. As you continue to breathe, I want you to envision yourself making little paper boats by the ocean. Trust me, this will all make sense in a minute. You're sitting at a table, folding, with the gentle ocean breeze caressing the skin on the tip of your nose, your face, your arms, your hands, your feet. You feel the sand between your toes, and on every sheet of paper which you're folding into a paper boat, you've written down a trauma from your past or something you'd like to let go of right here and right now. Whether you have a one paper boat you're setting free into the ocean, or 50 paper boats, the great big ocean has room for all of them. Think of one or more things you feel ready to let go of. You're writing them down on the sheets as you fold your paper boats. You've finished folding your paper boats and are now walking towards the water. You're confident and you're capable. You keep your head held high. You place the paper boat or multiple boats in the water. You place what does not serve you in the ocean. And now, Slowly but surely you watch from shore how your paper boats drift into the open ocean. How you feel any tension in your body get carried away. Take a big inhale and exhale. Sigh it out. As you sit on the shore, you can hear a sweet voice speaking softly to you, telling you to repeat these 3 affirmations. I am free. I am feeling calm. I am at peace. Keep repeating these 3 affirmations to yourself. I am free. I am feeling calm. I am at peace. I am free. I am feeling calm. I am at peace. I am free. I am feeling calm. I am at peace. I am free. I am feeling calm. I am at peace. And now continue to repeat your 3 affirmations to yourself. I will be here to witness and hold space for you for the next moments as you recite your affirmations. I am free. I am feeling calm. I am at peace. Now continue in your own pace. Well done! Your paper boats that started by the shore have now drifted so far out that you can no longer see them. You're filled with a sense of ease, knowing you have let go of anything weighing you down. Allow the corners of your mouth to curl up to the sky, allowing for a gentle smile to form. Bring your awareness slowly back. Bring your awareness slowly back to your breath. Inhale deeply into your belly. Let your belly expand. And now exhale. Let it all go. When you're ready to close off your practice, gently blink your eyes open, focusing back on your drishti, your focal point from the start of your practice. Hold your gaze here for a few seconds. And while you hold your gaze on your drishti, remember that this place of peace and healing is always here for you. You can come back throughout your day whenever you feel like you need some time to yourself. You may now release your gaze from your drishti and gently feel back into your body, tune into your senses. Thank you so much for joining me in today's magical meditation practice. I hope you have an amazing day, and I can't wait to connect with you in one of my upcoming videos.